Neon Lights Assortment by World Class Fireworks. All colorful fountain fireworks, starting with 2 mini fountains, 2 different colors. Then it has a large friendship fountain, also by World Class Fireworks. This one has 2 different sizes in the assortment. Then we have Eccentric. This emits showers of sparks just like the rest of them. This one is called Imperial. And then we have a few bigger ones in the back. Flower Power, it's a fountain, also emits the sparks. Butterfly and Flowers, fountain firework. Zen Master. The only 2 in here are the Snapper packages, also by World Class Fireworks. These are not fountains. These are the ones you throw on the sidewalk and pop. There's another big one, the Jade Fountain. This is the Jade Flower Fountain. And then we have a Golden Flower, also a fountain. Magnificent. And last but not least, Flower Power to complete the Neon Lights assortment.